Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on joining a class on Google Classroom. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Google Chrome and make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. Then you want to tap on this grid button in the top right corner. Scroll down the options and tap on Classroom. You could also type classroom.google.com into the URL bar to get to this page. Now tap the plus in the top right corner. Choose Join Class. Double check that you are signed in to the correct Google account. You can switch accounts here if you are not. You now need to type the class code into the text box. If you don't know what your class code is, you will have to ask your teacher. Tap Join in the top right corner and you will be joined to the class. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.